Hello there, it's me, Egil Thorsson, your well-known storyteller, runecast. Now, how many times have we said things that we wish we hadn't said? I know I've done it, and will do it in the future probably. And this is a tale about the consequences of it. British folk tale, and I think it was set in Birmingham or thereabouts, but that's by the by. It's a story about Charlie Creed. Now, Charlie Creed was a baity kind of chap. He lost his temper quite easily and would shout and yell and, generally spit his dummy out. And so, one day, a man walks along and was chatting to him, and all of a sudden, Charlie Creed, "Why don't you go to hell?" "Oh," said the man, and walked off. Charlie Creed thought no more of it. And next day at work, the chap, we'll call him, I don't know, Alex, never appeared. Thought nothing of it. Next day, at the pub, Charlie Creed sat there, and in comes Alex. "Where you been?" "Oh, I went where you told me to." "What?" I went to hell." "It's not a bad place." "What do you mean, not a bad place? It's supposed to be horrible." "Well," he says, "I went down there. Nice fire going, nice and warm. And there was a table with lots of chairs, and I sat in this chair. And in comes this, is the devil, got horns, tail, fork, a little goatee beard. Seemed a bit angry, but, and "What are you doing, sitting there?" "Just sitting there." "Why?" "So that chair is reserved for Charlie Creed." Now, Charlie Creed was a very different chap after that. And what happened to him when he died? Who knows? But the moral is, don't tell things like that, because you never know, it could turn round and in the end get you. Now, it's a short story, I know, but I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, leave us a comment, hashtag folktale, and it'll come there. Maybe you'd like to become a subscriber, that would be fantastic. Now, comments, it does take us a while because we do have so many comments, but trust me, we do get back to you in time, and we will answer your questions as soon as we can. So anyway, till we meet again, I hope you all have a great time. Until we meet again, bye now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.